Why are you guys so obsessed with Lummox? Like, honestly, I feel scared, elated, anxious. This guy's sleeping on.
Follow Lummox on Twitter or get the out.
Hey everybody, how you guys doing? So we can do some gunfight. I have an army of people that want to see me fail. My first. Oh yeah, I just got wrecked. I'm good.
He's a huge fan of yours. Big fan.
Crap! I just got lit up on the train.
Fine, yep.
We're not done
Just
yet. Make it
just
happen.
do it. Oh, somebody's pushing in.
Yeah, I got rocked, both on me. Do I think my gun skills above average? Yes, I do.
Weapons ready.
I'm gonna say it
Move
depends
in.
on the day for me.
Dude, I don't think these people understand what average looks like.
King is my favorite. I can't believe you said King.
I got ripped. He's in his spawn on the top of the train.
Bailey. Hey, I don't care about what you gotta say.
Does people hassle you that follow your YouTube channel about being like mediocre? Like what I think a lot of trolls in my chat don't understand is like I used to play this game like 10 hours a day. And yeah, I used to be a lot better, but I was a lot dumber of a gunfight person, so my aim was better.
Gunfight.
Now I play this shit
Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag.
2 hours a day, if that, if I stream. Like, I never turn this shit on if I'm not streaming. Is that nitrocil? Like, what was that? No, it was a bullet. Jaden, I don't give a fuck if I'm fat the rest of my life, dog. I'm gonna be fat the rest of my life.
Fuck it, right?
Fuck it. Dude, this guy takes the middle every time. Every time he pushes. This guy in the middle, he's 8 health. Bullshit.
Clear.
Come on. Oh, come on.
Together.
Fuck.
The objective
That's
is
right.
lost. We are.
Frank Beekeeper, I'm not going on PK unless they pay me 10 grand.
Oh my god. It literally is the same shit over and over again.
Dog, it's been the same shit over and over again for 3 years. People are like, why do you get upset? Why don't you ignore chat? Like, dog, either talk about my weight, talk about surgery money, talk about PK, or talk about, like, it's the same 5 topics every fucking day till the end of fucking time. I don't even know when Cold War comes out. That's how little I give a fuck about Call of Duty.
Yeah.
Like,
I hear you.
Like, I only play this shit because this is what people show up for and donate for. And it's like Rainbow. I'd rather play Rainbow, but at the same time, I got no Rainbow friends anymore. And Rainbow's at the end of its life cycle. I don't give a fuck about the
they didn't
beta.
make another one.
Like I said, I don't care about the beta. Like, I don't want to play it. Trilogy, hey, I'm a fat barrel of shit.
Shocking.
Yeah, never would have guessed. I'm subpar. I don't agree with you. Honestly, I don't agree with you. Like, if you put me up against the standard player in Call of Duty, it would be a massacre.
Well earned.
Like, the standard person is like a .9 KD.
Especially in this game.
Yeah. I mean, like, I win 80% of my gunfight matches.
Right there to you, yep.
Wow.
We're losing
You
ground.
got
Take
away
it back.
from me. Oh.
Right side weak. The other one's top.
It's over.
Alright. Ban this Marauder shit. I don't know. Quit asking the same question 15 fucking times, dude. Really?
Didn't you just do like an unban or something?
I did, yeah. It's just like people like, do you remember Joey Pondfield Marauder? I don't know who the fuck that is. Like, here's the thing, right? And I say this all the time. I don't get into the scene. I don't play with people. I don't fucking clout chase. Like, even when I was a top 100 YouTube channel in the world, right? I didn't give a fuck about most of the people around me. I just didn't. Like, I didn't care like what other YouTube commentators were doing. What shoe size am I? 11 wide.
Gunfight.
But like here's a secret with like making friends and shit like that. And how to tell if somebody's your friend and not. Like a friend will ask what they can do for you, not what you can do for them. Oh my fucking lord, that fire's still around forever.
Do this.
I am 1 in fucking 5. I'm a disgrace. Man. Dude. Really? Ah, he's in the middle.
Top right. One shot.
Oh, he pushed me.
Raise your hand. We're not finished
Damn,
yet.
dude, I thought you said they were both
ban
top
leaning.
right. I got you.
Van lean in and go squeak. Oh, man.
On to the next round. Pick it up.
Oh, come on, dog. They're both looking at me. Fuck. Oh, really? My wife, I woke up today to my wife showed me that I got my HTC check. And she also showed that she dragged the side of her car down something. So, like, I got to do paint correction. I got to try to buff it out. And that's going to be great. So, when she gets home, I got to grab the paint code and order whatever paint Toyota puts on it. No, like she was
know the job.
borderline late for work today, and I'm pretty sure she scraped it down the side of the picnic table in the front yard. Like my head was the size of the state of Texas. Really? Come on, dog. Fuck. Come on, can you please have a gunfight with me, not leading with the fucking stuns?
Very good, bro. These kids are pretty good, so. He's right in front of you.
Dude. God damn it, man. Like,
Bro,
that's the worst beating I ever took in my life. I felt like they had way better aim than me. Like, remarkably better. Dude, I don't give a fuck about my KD. I don't give a flying fuck about my KD. Like, that game right there is going to make it into a troll video by itself. Come on, dude. I gotta stop. Like...
he's bottom. I don't know how the fuck I didn't kill him. Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, they're both there. Oh.
We're going back in.
Yeah, they're both playing like
Why were you still in your spawn like that, hiding like a bitch?
he's middle.
God, dude. Like,
One round gone. We're not dead.
come on,
Take a
man.
breath. We're going back in.
Not very weak though.
One round
Here's
gone.
80
We're
health.
not dead yet, are we?
I'm playing like shit, dude. I should just get off.
Oh, you're good, bro.
Oh, you say this, but this is gonna make a long
Alright,
ass
lads,
troll
get in
video.
there.
Gotta take a loss every now and then.
At least I got my dignity.
But I got your sister's virginity.
Oh hell.
Yeah, bro. Not gonna lie, he kinda got you.
I mean, like, if he wants, I mean, my sister's got like 3 kids now. I mean, like, if he wants to go, for, you know, women with 3 kids, head for it. He's having the twins a week or 2 from now.
Lose that. He's left side. I don't know how the fuck I lose that.
Dude, really? Throw a fucking grenade?
Diamond.
You already got the advantage on me. Throw the fucking grenade. It always, every time. Oh, wow. I thought he'd push.
We shouldn't even have got that loss, bro. I'm heated.
No, I went 0-8. I can't say shit. Alright, boys. That's probably going to be it for me today. Bailey! Come here, girl. Here. Come here. This is a good puppy. This is a good puppy. Ooh, a good puppy. All the Bailey goodness. Bailey. Bailey, did you go pee-pee in the house? So I think it's going to be a Devil Rays Braves World Series. Well, watch that shit, boy. I'll see you guys later. Thank you, everybody, for chumming by. I'll see you guys later. I'm Audi 5000. Peace. That's actually pretty good. Lummox.